Okay, so Facebook has finally added Ghana and a couple of other African countries to the list of countries that can start making money on Facebook. And that is very good news for creators like myself and anybody who is interested in making money on Facebook. So this is everything you need to know to start making money on Facebook right now if you reside in any of these countries in Africa. So there are a number of options you can use to start making money from the content you post on Facebook. I think there are about 6 of them, but in this video I'm going to talk about 2 of them, which is ads on Reels and the in-stream ads. The ads on Reels is basically by invitation, so Facebook has to just invite you once they think you qualify to join that program. But before they invite you, you have to meet a few criteria. And those criteria include creating original content, you have to reside in a country that is eligible, and your account has to be a page, or if it's not a page, then it should be in professional mode. So if your account is like in personal mode and you want to start earning money on Facebook, then you need to switch to professional mode. You have to be following the Facebook monetization policy, you have to be 18 years and above, and last but not the least, you have to submit your interest. This is basically telling Facebook that, hey, I'm interested in the program and I'm interested in making money using this option. So once I qualify, please notify me so I joined. And to do that, I think you have to basically go to your professional dashboard, go to monetization, go to ads on Reel, and you have to submit your interest if you haven't already submitted it. The second one is the in-stream ads. The in-stream ad is something similar to the advert you see on YouTube. Those adverts that come like at the beginning of the video, the middle or the end, that comes and you have to watch it for like a few seconds before you can skip to watch the main video. So with this particular ads, Facebook also have a couple of things or criteria you need to meet before you can join. And first of all, the most important of it is you have to be in a country that is eligible. And secondly, you have to be following the Facebook monetization policy. Obviously, you have to be 18 years and you have to be creating original content. Like original content, this is very important. With all these things, if the content you are posting is not original, yes, you might be getting the views, but this or that particular video might not be able to be monetized. And thirdly, you have to have at least 5,000 followers. And your eligible videos, including on demand, live and previously live, have been viewed at least 60,000 minutes in the last 60 days. That is to say, in the past 2 months, all the video you have posted on your Facebook page, you have to get a total of 60,000 minutes of your watch minutes on those videos. And lastly, you have to share at least 5 eligible videos in the last 30 days that were either on demand, live, or previously live. Okay, so there are 3 things here: on demand, live, or previously live. So the on-demand videos are basically like this video I'm making. You can record the video and post it and people can come and watch at any time. And the live video, as the name goes, should be video that is like a live video. When people want to join, they have to join it when you are making that video. They might not be able to come back and watch later if they don't join you as at that time. Previously live is basically like sometimes when you do a live video, you can decide to post that live video on your page after the video has ended. So basically that is it. These are the 2 options among other options you can use to monetize the content you post on Facebook if you are living in Ghana or any of these African countries that have been eligible recently. So if you have any other question, you can post it in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer all the questions. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you get more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. What you say?